Grace, happy birthday to my beautiful friend. Even though we are far away from each other, but you are always close to my heart. And I really miss you and miss all the moments we share together. I wish we could celebrate together your birthday. Thank you for always being such a good and wonderful friend. May this birthday bring you happiness, success, and good health. And love you and miss you so much. Sending a lots of love from Australia. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grace.
Happy birthday, Grace. I hope you have a good birthday, and I hope you can get a
Have a
birthday.
good day. Love you. Miss you.
Have a good day. Love you.
We
miss
wanna
you.
meet you again. Happy birthday,
Can you come back to
Grace.
Australia and come to Sweethead Public School?
And we can visit you. Thank you.
Good morning, Grace. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Grace. Enjoy your birthday. God bless you. We miss you. Bye. Enjoy your day.
Hi Grace, happy 50th birthday. Wishing you all the best of everything and we missed you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grace. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Grace, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and enjoy lang ang buhay. Stay happy and healthy. You're a blessing to everyone. Love ya.
Hi Grace, happy birthday. Nako, golden girl ka na. Grace, welcome to the club. Grace, my wish is obviously good health for you and to your family. At sana lahat ng dreams mo and aspirations patuloy pang matupad sa anak ng Diyos. Happy birthday, enjoy at alam ko i-bless ka palagi ni Lord because may mabuti kang puso sa iyong pamilya, lalong-lalo na. And again, I'm wishing you all the best and enjoy the night.
Guys, Ate Libet here from Australia. Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. I miss you. Na-miss na kita dito sa Australia but I know mas masaya ka kasi kasama mo na si Mami at yung anak mo. Happy 50th birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo is happiness in your heart, peace in your mind, and wish ko ngayong 50th birthday mo as well is maging healthy ka pa, healthier and mas malakas and strong. I know you're strong para sa anak mo, para kay Mami at sa mga pamilya mo. I love you, Gra, alam mo yon. And Ate Libet is just here in Australia. Anytime you need me, andito lang ako, text away. Happy 50th birthday. Welcome to 50th. I love you, Gra. I missed you. God bless you always. Alam ko nandiyan si Lord palagi sa likod mo. Enjoy. I miss you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Mahal kong Grace, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless and many more blessings to come. Kung ayaw mong pumunta dito, akong pupunta dyan. Magti-text ako sa'yo. Keep up the good works.
Hi, Gracie. Ate San here. I just want to wish you a happy 50th birthday. But you don't look like it. You're amazing, resilient, and really beautiful, endearing person. I wish you all the best. Bye for now. Wish I could be with you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Kiss mo, kiss! Kiss! Happy birthday, Ate Grace!
Maligayang ang arawan sa birthday mo. Come back here to Tasmania, Mama Grace. I miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
old ka na, golden birthday, and... Ano sabi mo?
Minopause na.
Menopause ka na raw.
Katulad ni Marlene.
Oh my goodness. Enjoy your day. And yeah, nasa Pilipinas ka na. Masaya ka na. Kasama mo na si Gram. Hindi ka na malulungkot. And thank you sa friendship. Thank you sa love. And thank you na lagi mo kaming ini-include sa prayers mo. We also include you in our prayers. Enjoy your special day. And God bless always. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happiness and good health. I'm truly grateful to have worked with you before and most especially to know you. Your kindness and your loving heart were felt not only by your family but also by us, your RCBC family. Hindi mawawala sa memories ko ang lipstick mo, ang curler mo at lalong-lalo na ang suklay mo. Dahil kahit gaano ka busy sa work, nakakasingit ka pa rin mag-retouch at ayusin ang hair mo na sobrang alaga mo. Kaya naman, laging looking fresh, blooming, at ready sa kahit anong ganap. Very, very grasya talaga. Thank you for being such a warm, caring, and wonderful person. Thank you as well for all the memories, the adventures we shared, your caring nature, and yung positive vibes na binibigay mo sa amin. Those moments will always be special and unforgettable. May God continue to bless you with more joyful years, precious moments with your loved ones, and all the happiness you truly deserve. May this milestone birthday bring you even more peace, love, and countless blessings. Cheers to 50 amazing years, Ate Grace. Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Grace.
We love you so much. All the love from Australia. We're sorry we can't be there, but so happy that all the sisters are together.
Aw.
So hope you have the best time, and we love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tita Grace. Hindi na po kami makapunta dyan, pero Mama's there in our place. And we wish you the happiest birthday po. Thank you and God bless.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po.
To say happy 50th birthday, Ate Grace. We just
Happy
wanted to
birthday.
say yes. How do you say in German? Alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Maligayang kaarawan sa aming Ate Grace. Ate, alam mo na, alala ko pa nung nandun tayo sa Lakaw and may picture ka dun sa bahay. Tapos naka-corona ka, tas may sash because you won the pageant. And I always will remember you as that. And the funny thing is, even at 50, she still looks
flawless.
28.
28.
And
because 50, the new 25.
And then also she took care of us in England. I remember that.
You did great.
She did Dubai as well. Like, you've been through so much, Ate.
Crazy.
But one of the things that has never changed about you is that your heart has always been in the right place. And I'm so lucky to have you in my life. We're also lucky to have you. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa pamilya. At mahal na mahal ka namin. I hope more blessings come to you every day. And another 50 years to 100.
Happy birthday. Enjoy
Happy
your
birthday,
day.
Ate. We love you.
Love
Mwah.
you.
Wee!